Have you ever noticed that a stream seems to call you? There's something about moving water. It quiets the noise, it slows your breathing, and it reminds you to be present. I have a hard time being present sometimes. With a fast-paced life, traveling a lot, building a business, having many teenagers, trying to keep it all together. Sometimes it's hard to be present, and I'm working on that every day. But one thing I know is you don't walk away from a stream feeling heavier. You walk away feeling lighter. And why is that? It feels cleansing, rejuvenating. Just feel a sense of peace and calm. And I think our homes work the exact same way. How many people leave out of town, get in their hotel room, they lay on the bed, and they just take a big breath and they let it out. And they're laying there on the bed, just feeling the energy, the lightness. They're like, this feels amazing. Is it the vacation? Or is it the 2 nightstands, the bed, the TV, maybe a desk and a couch? But there's very little in a hotel room. Think about that. Most people at home think about organizing by putting all of their things in a bin and putting a lid on it, putting it in the closet. But that energy is still there. So is it energy you like? Is it light energy? Is it heavy energy? What is it? Because if you're just taking all of the things, putting it in a bin and putting it on the shelf, is that serving you? Because that energy's still there. It didn't go anywhere. It's just hidden in some plastic. But you can still feel it in your home. When your home is filled with things that no longer serve you, your mind has to carry that weight every single day, if you realize it or not. So when you go in and you remove what no longer serves you, when everything has a place, when your environment begins to flow instead of fighting back, that's when something shifts. You breathe deeper, you think clearer, you feel calmer, and you feel more grounded. You feel more connected to yourself and the people that you love. Just like a stream, your home has the power to restore you.